Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by claiming a single wall area and cleaning it. This prevents peeling and ensures adhesion. Once done, pick only 3 colors to keep the design cohesive and sort notes by size for pattern control. Next, measure a 10 cm grid and lightly mark points with a pencil. This gives you consistent alignment. Now place the first row. Press each note for 3 seconds at marks, making sure edges line up. This sets the framework for the whole layout. You continue by establishing the pattern. Alternate colors every 2 columns to create clear stripes or offset for a chevron. Make sure to overlap edges by about 0.5 cm when you want texture and to hide any remaining pencil marks. Slight overlaps also improve adhesion. Once the midsection is filled, step back each 10 minutes to check optical balance, then adjust spacing or rotate notes for a layered 3D illusion. Keep consistent pressure when applying to avoid bubbles. You finish by trimming edge notes so the composition looks intentional. You saved scraps for small accents near light switches or frames. Once done, inspect for any lifting, repress corners firmly with a credit card, or add a small piece of double-stick tape behind stubborn notes for extra hold. If humidity or time causes fading, rotate or replace notes after 2 to 3 weeks to refresh the surface. One troubleshooting tip: if notes curl from moisture, remove and reapply a clean, dry note to that spot.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.